Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add captions to YouTube Shorts. Want to make your YouTube Shorts more engaging? Adding captions helps attract more viewers, including those who watching without sound. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your YouTube Shorts. The first step is to use YouTube's auto-generated captions. Now after uploading your shorts, you can upload your shorts by going to YouTube and then click on the plus button and then select video. Choose a random video that's under 30 seconds and here you can edit its information. Now after uploading your shorts, go to YouTube Studio and click on subtitles and check if YouTube has auto-generated captions. Now if needed, click edit captions to fix mistakes. The second step is to manually add captions in YouTube Studio. And to do that, just go to YouTube Studio and go to content and then select your video and then click on subtitles. After that, add new captions and type your captions manually. And make sure to adjust the timing so they sync with your video. As for the third step is to use an editing app for dynamic captions. For styled captions, use apps like CapCut, VN Editor and KineMaster. And export your video with built-in captions before uploading into YouTube. You can find all these apps in the Play Store just by searching for them. Now CapCut is a better option because it has an auto caption features. So make sure you download CapCut. You can find it here in the Play Store, as you can see. And install it and edit your video with it and add captions with it. And make sure you use bold fonts and colors to make captions stand out. And keep your captions short and easy to read. And if using multiple languages, add translated subtitles for a global audience. And now you know how to add captions to YouTube Shorts. This makes your video more engaging and accessible to everyone. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.